The tree behind us was a project that I thought about several years ago, and I thought it would be a great idea because Susan does so much with the Byres Hub and the communities. There's knitting groups, quilting groups, crochet groups, poet groups, writers groups, everything. And I thought, I can teach them if they don't even know how to do it. I can teach the people in the staff in the building as well if they don't know how to do it as well, and it would just bring everybody together. And then for me to put all this together was a feat, but I enjoyed every minute of it, and I wouldn't be able to do it without the community and the staff that's participated in donating all the squares.
My name's Tony and I'm part of the Weekday WOW Factor, and we're here today to celebrate Christmas and the Hub and all the people who come to the Hub. And I just want to say it's a brilliant experience. Glasgow Uni are so good to us and they always welcome us with open arms, and we do learning experiences through it. And the people that we've met over the past year, it has been amazing. It's really community spirited, and Susan is the person that facilitates it for us, and she's just brilliant. And so I feel privileged to be part of this hub.
The whole community, Byres Hub community, is the people that make it. It's not the staff, it's not us. We're just the backbone of it. We make the rooms, you know, make the people comfortable, teas, coffees, things like that. But they're the one that brings it into the building. Couldn't do it without them. People that don't have a lot of family about the community, if you're a single person that just don't have family about you, come in. This is family. It's not just friends, it's family as well. It brings everybody together, and especially this, it gives people a nice Merry Christmas feeling.
Hurry up, it'll change your life. It's totally amazing.